Take him to Detroit.
No, not Detroit.
19-year-old Barrio Johnson and 17-year-old Jonte Washington busted following a robbery at a lemonade stand in Pontiac earlier this week. Police say their friend, who's still on the loose, is the one who actually swiped the money, but Johnson and Washington were arrested as well. Washington charged with assaulting the mother of one of the girls after she ran after them following the robbery. Johnson was arrested for having a marijuana joint in his ear and charged with possession. They've given police the name of their friend who took the money, and police are taking the case very seriously.
This type of behavior won't be put up with. It won't be tolerated. They'll know that the next time they come to a lemonade stand and little young ladies are there selling lemonade, they're either going to purchase as much as they can, or they know that they better walk away.
The four girls, who range in age from just 6 to 9, had set up the lemonade stand at Hollywood and Cornell on Sunday. The three teens walked up. Washington and Johnson paid for lemonade, and then their friend opened up the girls' Mickey Mouse jewelry box where they kept the money.
The guy looked in the jewelry box to see how much money we raised, and he said thanks for the delivery, and he grabbed the jewelry box with all the money in it and took off down the road.
Pontiac police are now working to get a photo of the teen who took the cash and hope to put together a photo lineup for the young victims to identify him.
They are grown men attacking, people that can't protect themselves, and they shouldn't have to be worried about someone robbing them at a lemonade stand. That's just ridiculous.
Police say if the third teen is caught, they hope he faces a charge of strong-armed robbery, which is a felony. In Pontiac, Michael Rosenfield, Channel 7 Action News. Bye.